Welcome to Neurodegeneration and AI in the Gulf. In today's episode, we explore the vital role that family and cultural values play in patient care, particularly for those living with neurodegenerative diseases. In the Gulf region, the family often acts as the first and sometimes only line of care. There is a strong sense of duty towards elderly or ill family members, and home based care is seen as both a cultural and moral responsibility. Whether this close knit caregiving model brings comfort and continuity, it also comes with immense emotional, physical, and financial pressure. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and ALS require constant attention, managing mobility, feeding, hygiene, and medications. This is where AI has begun offering practical assistance from personalized caregiving apps to virtual assistant tools. AI can help family caregivers stay organized, track symptoms, and receive real time guidance for managing complex needs.
In many communities, neurodegenerative diseases are still misunderstood. Cognitive decline is often brushed off as normal aging, and muscular or speech impairments are quietly hidden rather than openly discussed. This stigma delays diagnosis and prevents families from seeking timely intervention. People fear judgment more than they fear the illness itself, leading to isolation, not just for the patient, but also for the caregiver. AI driven public awareness campaigns are helping shift these perceptions. With localized messaging powered by machine learning, we can now tailor education initiatives to resonate with different cultural groups. Chatbots and mobile platforms also allow users to privately learn about symptoms, treatment options, and caregiving strategies without fear of public scrutiny. When stigma meets science, AI becomes a powerful equalizer.
The reality is, most caregivers are women juggling multiple roles. Daughters, wives, and sisters often become full time carers overnight with little to no training, and the emotional toll is immense. Burnout is common. What families need is support, emotional support, logistical help, and sometimes medical support. It's tough, right? But thankfully, AI is offering a safety net. Now there are these caregivers focused apps. They offer mental health checks in, virtual counseling, even mindfulness reminders. So caregivers have support right at their fingertips. And let's talk about smart home systems. They monitor patient movements, detect seizures or falls, and alert caregivers in real time. This takes away the constant need for supervision and gives caregivers peace of mind. And AI can match families with local respite care services. It can even flag available beds or staff at a short notice. Imagine how helpful that would be when you need a break. When caregivers becomes a full-time job, these digital solution steps in as a co-workers, not replacement, but co-supporters. Technology can make the load a little lighter, and that's what families really need right now.
Cultural values deeply influence how care is delivered. In the Gulf, religious beliefs and strong family ties often dictate a preference for home care over institutional solutions. For many, caregiving is not just a responsibility, it is a spiritual act. Practices like prayer, communal support, and religious counsel often provide emotional resilience and a sense of purpose. But this cultural strength can also mask caregiver distress. Many feel guilty for needing help or stepping back. And that's where AI can support community led solutions. Faith based platforms and religious organizations are starting to collaborate with health tech initiatives, training volunteers, offering AI enabled hotlines, and distributing caregiving kits through mosques and community centers. When tradition meets technology, we get culturally relevant solutions with lasting impact.